Hey fourth graders, in this video I'm going to review how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. So today we're going to be doing 475 times 4. So standard algorithm, the first thing you need to do is put the two numbers on top of each other and line up those place values. Then we're going to multiply the 4 by each of our place values starting in the ones place. I will use different colors. So first we will do 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, so I'll put my 0 in the ones place and carry my 2 up to the tens place. Next up, I'm going to do 7 times 4, which is 28. And then I will add the 2 that I carried, which is 30. So I would put 0 and then carry my 3. And then finally, I will do 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, plus the 3 that I carried would be 19. So I would write 19. And then I need to make sure I add my comma. So I know that 475 times 4 is 1,900. And that's it.